War is the mother of invention. In September, Russia saw a weird vessel washed up on their shore, not far from the Black Sea Fleet at Sevastopol. This strongly indicates a drone boat made by Ukraine with possible explosive inside, working as a kamikaze vessel to attack Russian ship. Now in the end of October, these drones make a return, with almost 300 kilometer distance between Ukrainian controlled shore to Russian occupied Sevastopol. Ukraine launched a major attack with this new capability. The drone boat is around 3.5 to 4 meter long, with a low profile, making it hard to be noticed and fired at. It's most likely being propelled with a commercial waterjet driven motor, with more advanced sensors and communication, with satellite antenna in the back, camera in the middle, being able to film invisible and infrared light, which makes a day and night attack possible. With a detonation sensor in the front, it probably have a somewhat limited warhead of around 50 to 100 kg due to its size, but enough to damage a large warship. The attack was carried out in waves, creating panic in the Russian Navy to scramble to sink these vessels. It seems 7 drone boats took part in the attack, where 2 or 3 hit their targets, while the other were intercepted. At least 2 targets appears to be hit, which were the seagoing minesweeper Ivan Gulbeyets and one of Russia's newest frigates, costing around $250 million, the Admiral Gerskov class, which has been used to target Odessa with cruise missile. The intercepted vessels could be seen being chased by a helicopter desperately trying to sink them. The helicopter could be seen struggle to stop the somewhat small quick vessel as it was targeting naval assets. Russia claimed also aerial drones were used, but this hasn't been confirmed yet. They also claim that British troop has been involved in the attack, which was dismissed by UK's Ministry of Defense. The attack, while not devastating for Russia, showcased both the weakness in Russia's defense, but also the capability of Ukrainian army. Same story that has been told before, as of the sinking of the Moskva, the attack on Crimean air bases, and the attack on the Crimean bridge. Russia will most likely increase security and surveillance and also pull back some ships further away, as done with previous attacks. As Russia will increase readiness for this threat, it could take some time, as with Bayraktar, before they come up with a reasonable defensive tactic, as the smaller vessel could be hard to detect. The vessel still needs a lot of time to reach their target several hundred kilometers away, given time to intercept these. However, it would not be surprising if we see more of these successful attacks in the future also. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.